Be off the beaten path. Lock. As in back. It's like that pirate's booties are all locked up. Está na igreja. I saw this building. I thought that was rather interesting. Then I saw the blue statue was actually it's a statue covered in a blue tarp. Then I saw what's on the bottom. Columbus, 1492. Good for y'all. Let's get educated. Yes, ma'am. Let's get educated. Let's get educated. 1492 Columbus. Good. Good for them. Nature and heritage, Bahamian heritage. This mural depicts the relation between humankind and nature. A man black to represent the color, represent the people of Bahamas, and a woman whose ethnicity is less clear because she must represent all women. I don't see the mural, but this one says, oh, ruins. So this is a section, ruins of the first church building in Nassau. Church of England, Old Church Hill. So I guess this is maybe a cornerstone or something of this church. And that plaque is supposed to be here, but it's not here. Mount Batten House. Winner 2017 Certificate of Excellence Heritage Museum of the Bahamas. I have a mask on. That's why it's kind of interesting to read. All right, so this is this building. Interesting. What to do? Stuff. I don't think we're gonna take a tour, but it's the Heritage Museum of the Bahamas. Kind of looks like Pirates of the Caribbean. Cool. Some restaurants, Bahama Barrels. The weather is funky. It's like 79 degrees, but it feels like 102 because of the humidity. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's what me talking about, man. Oh, that's Jamaica, not Bahamas. This be historic Charlestown, 1647. Nice wall. And somebody sleeping. Murals. You know I like murals. I like that one. Hema Fisherman. National Art Gallery of Bahamas. We are open again. And they are closed. They said we're open again, but they're closed again too. Oh well. This is St. Francis Xavier Cathedral. From the old to the new. How nice. It's actually a nice statue.